This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Beautiful new construction in the heart of Suffolk, York. Spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home featuring an open floor plan west/modern finishes and large kitchen. Big pantry, soft close cabinets, refrigerator included. First floor primary bedroom, 2 little bedrooms downstairs. Upstairs has a 4th bedroom west/full bathroom and walk-in attic. LVP flooring in main living areas. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered porch. This beautiful home also includes a rear entry 2-car garage and no neighbors behind. A perfect blend of style and function. Located near parks, shopping, and dining. Make this beautiful new home yours. Estimated completion July 2025. April 9, 2025 for more